dear students, we are going to the chapter wise concept. The chapter is trigonometry. Now topic is multiple and submultiple angles. Now the question, if 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2 and cos power 6 alpha plus sin power 6 alpha plus k sin square 2 alpha is equal to 1, then k is equal to first option 4 by 3, second option minus 4 by 3, third option 3 by 4 and fourth option minus 3 by 4. Now we have to solve this question. Now solution for this, take the condition. So alpha belongs to Q1 from the given condition. 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2 means alpha belongs to in premises of first quadrant. That's why alpha belongs to first quadrant. Now take this one, that is cos power 6 alpha plus sin power 6 alpha plus k sin square 2 alpha is equal to 1. Now from this can be write cos square alpha whole cube plus sin square alpha whole cube plus k into sin square 2 alpha is equal to 1. Now this can be write. We know the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. That's why like that we have to write from this formula. Here it is cos power cos square alpha plus sin square alpha whole cube minus 3 times of 3ab. 3ab means cos square alpha into sin square alpha into 3ab into a plus b. A plus b is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Okay, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha plus k sin square 2 alpha is equal to 1. That's all. Now from this, we know that from identity, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. So 1 cube is 1. 1 minus 3 times of, here it is cos square alpha sin square alpha into cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1 again. Here it is 1 cube minus the 3 cos square alpha sin square alpha into 1, since cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1, plus k times of, actually sin 2 alpha is nothing but, this can be right, sin 2 alpha whole square. This is sin 2 alpha whole square. Sin 2 alpha is nothing but 2 sin alpha cos alpha whole square. So that is equal to 1. Now this is 1 minus 3 sin square alpha cos square alpha plus, here it is 4, 2 square is nothing but 4, 4k sin square alpha cos square alpha is equal to 1. Now 1 gets cancelled. Now this one shifting that side, then 4k sin square alpha cos square alpha is equal to 3 times of sin square alpha cos square alpha. That's why both sides sin square alpha cos square alpha not equal to 0. That's why 4k is equal to 3. 4k is equal to 3. From this, k is equal to 3 by 4. That is in third option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question. Now observe the question. If sin a plus sin 2a is equal to x and cos a plus cos 2a is equal to y, then x square plus y square into x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to the first option y, second option 2y, third option x and fourth option 2x. Now we have to solve this question. So take x is equal to sin a plus sin 2a and y is equal to cos a plus cos 2a. Now squaring and adding. So x square plus y square is equal to sin a plus sin 2a whole square plus cos a plus cos 2a whole square. That's all. Now x square plus y square is equal to, expand this, sin square a plus sin square 2a plus 2 sin a into sin 2a plus cos square a plus cos square 2a plus 2 cos a cos 2a. So according to the a plus b whole square formula, now from this x square plus y square is equal to, observe, sin square a plus cos square a, that is 1, plus sin square 2a plus cos square 2a, that is 1, plus remaining here 2 sin a cos, that means 2 sin a cos sin 2a, 2 cos a cos 2a. Take common 2 from that, then it is cos 2a cos a plus sin 2a sin a. Have you clear? Now this is in the form of cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. It's nothing but cos of a minus b. That's why it is x square plus y square is equal to 2 plus 2 times of cos of 2a minus a. Since cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is cos of a minus b. That's why cos of 2a minus a, that is cos a. That's why x square plus y square is equal to 2 plus 2 cos square, 2 cos a, that is 2 cos a. That's all. Now x square plus y square is equal to 2 plus 2 cos a. Now x square plus y square minus 3. That's why we have to subtract minus 3 on both sides. So that means x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to, x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to, so minus 3 plus 2 cos a. That means add on both sides minus 3. Now from this x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to minus 1 plus 2 cos a. That's all. Now from this step, here it is x square plus y square is equal to 2 plus x square plus y square is equal to 2 plus 2 cos a, and x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to minus 1 plus 2 cos a. Now we have to multiply them. Now we have to multiply these. Then x square plus y square into x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to 2 plus 2 cos a minus 1 plus 2 cos a. Now you have to multiply this. Then here it is. This can be right. 1 plus 2 cos a. So direct we have to multiply. We have to multiply them. Or we have to write 1 plus 2 cos a plus 1 into, this can be right, 2 cos a minus 1. So with this one we have to multiply these two. Now 2 cos a minus 1 into 1, that is 2 cos a minus 1, and these two plus 2 cos a plus 1 into 2 cos a minus 1. That's all. Now this is 2 cos a minus 1. Now this is 2 cos a plus 1 into 2 cos a minus 1 is nothing but 4 cos square a minus 1. 4 cos square a minus 1. Now this is 2 cos a plus 4 cos square a minus 2. Now take common 2 from these two. Then it is 2 cos a plus, take common 2, then it is 2 cos square a minus 1. So we know that 2 cos square a minus 1 is nothing but cos 2a. That's why here we have to write it is, from this step observe 2 cos a plus 2 times of 2 cos square a minus 1. Actually 2 cos square a minus 1 is nothing but cos 2a. That's why here we have to write, that is 2 cos a plus 2 times of cos 2a. 2 times of cos 2a. That's all. Now from this take common 2, then it is 2 into cos a plus cos 2a. Cos a plus cos 2a. What is cos a plus cos 2a? That is y. That's why it is 2 times of y. That's why 2y is the answer. That is in second option. That's all. 2y is the answer. So that is second option. Now we are going to the question, that is, if cos alpha is equal to 3 by 5 and cos beta is equal to 5 by 30, where alpha beta are acute angles, then the values of sin square alpha minus beta by 2 and cos square alpha plus beta by 2 respectively. The first option 8 by 65, 16 by 65. Second option 16 by 65, 8 by 65. Third option 1 by 65, 16 by 65, 16 by 65. And fourth option minus 1 by 65, comma minus 16 by 65. Now we have to solve this question. Now solution for this one. Observe, cos alpha is equal to 3 by 5 and cos beta is equal to 5 by 13, where alpha and beta are acute angles. That means alpha comma beta belongs to Q1, since acute angle lies in first quadrant. That's why cos alpha is 3 by 5. We have to take a small diagram. Here it is alpha, then it is 3, this is 5, then it is 4. Now for this one, here it is take beta, then it is 5, then it is 13, so it is 12. Now from this, sin alpha is equal to 4 by 5. From this, sin beta is equal to 12 by 13. Now we have to identify. So from this, we know the formula. Sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole by 2. And cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta whole by 2. That's why we have to identify alpha minus beta of cos and alpha plus beta of cos. That means we have to identify cos alpha minus beta expansion and cos alpha plus beta expansion. Now to find cos alpha minus beta, first of all, cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Now substitute here. The cos alpha is 3 by 5, the cos beta is 5 by 13, plus sin alpha is 4 by 5 and sin beta is 12 by 13. Okay. Now from this we have to find. So LCM is, here it is 15 by 65 plus here it is 48 by 65. So 15 plus 48, that is 63 by 68. This is the result of cos alpha minus beta. That's why cos alpha minus beta is equal to 63 by 68. That's all. Similarly, we have to find cos alpha plus beta. Now cos alpha plus beta is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. That's all. Same, but here we have to write minus. So 3 by 5, here it is 5 by 13 minus 4 by 5 and 12 by 13. That's why here it is 15 by 65 minus 48 by 65. So this is minus 33 by 65. This is the result of cos alpha plus beta. That's why cos alpha plus beta is minus 33 by 65. Cos alpha minus beta is 63 by 65. From these two results, we have to identify sin square alpha minus beta by 2, cos square alpha plus beta by 2. According to these forms, sin square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos theta whole by 2 and cos square theta by 2 is 1 plus cos theta whole by 2. So where theta is alpha minus beta once alpha plus beta 1. So we have to substitute in these equations. Now this is not 8, this is 65, LCM is 65, that's why it is 63 by 65. So it is 63 by 65, that is not a mistake, that is 8. So 63 by 65 here, it is minus 33 by 65. Now we have to substitute, that means the sine square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos alpha minus beta whole by 2. Since we have to take alpha minus beta is theta, then sine square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos theta whole by 2. Now we have to substitute 1 minus of, the value of this one is 63 by 65 whole by 2. From this one, this is 65 minus 63 whole by 2. So 65 minus whole by 65. Here LCM is 65 whole by 2. Now this can be right. 65 minus 63 is that is 2. 2 by 65 whole by 2. That's why these 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 65. That's why sine square alpha minus beta by 2 is 1 by 65. So sine square alpha minus beta by 2 is 1 by 65. That is third option. Now we have to identify cos square alpha plus beta by 2. Cos square alpha by 2, cos square alpha plus beta by 2, this one, from this formula, cos square theta by 2 is 1 plus cos theta whole by 2. Now cos square alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to, actually alpha plus beta taken as theta, then it is in the form of cos square theta by 2, that is 1 plus cos theta whole by 2. That's why it is 1 plus cos alpha plus beta by 2 is minus 33 by 65 whole by 2. That's why take LCM here, 65 minus 33 by 65 whole by 2. That's all. Now it gives 65 minus 33, that is 32 by 65 whole by 2. Now 2 16s gets cancelled. That's why it is 16 by 65. That's why. So that is third option. Since cos square alpha plus beta by 2 is 16 by 65. That is in third option. That's all. So like this we have to apply the multiple and submultiple angles forms. These are the questions depends upon the concepts of multiple and submultiple angles. Now we are going to one more question. Now observe the question. If theta is not an integral multiple of pi by 2, then the value of tan theta, 2 tan 2 theta, 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta, tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta is the first option cot theta, second option cot 2 theta, third option minus cot theta, and fourth option minus cot 2 theta. Now we have to solve this question. Take cot theta minus tan theta. So this cot theta can be right 1 by tan theta. Here it is minus tan theta. Now take LCM, then we get here it is 1 minus tan square theta by tan theta. That's why this can be divided and multiply by 2, then it is 2 times of 1 minus tan square theta by 2 tan theta. Okay, we know that tan 2 theta formula is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. That's why this is the reciprocal of tan 2 theta. That means it is cot 2 theta. That's why this is 2 times of cot 2 theta. Since this is the formula for cot 2 theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 2 tan theta is cot 2 theta. That's why we get here it is cot theta minus tan theta is equal to 2 cot 2 theta. Right. Now from this cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta is equal to tan theta. So tan theta value cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta. Now cot 2 theta minus 2 cot 4 theta is tan 2 theta. Now cot 4 theta minus 2 cot 8 theta is equal to tan 4 theta. Have you clear, all of you? Here it is tan cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta is tan theta. If it is tan theta, then it is cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta. Here it is tan 2 theta, cot 2 theta minus 2 cot 4 theta. Here it is tan 4 theta, cot 4 theta minus tan 4 theta. That's why all these substitute in the given question. Here tan theta is available and tan 2 theta is available, tan 4 theta is available. From this we have to assume cot theta minus tan theta. From this we have to identify tan theta, tan 2 theta, tan 4 theta. These are all substitute in the given question. Now we have to substitute all these values in this. In place of tan theta, what we have to write? Cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta plus 2 times of. In place of tan 2 theta, what we have to write? Cot 2 theta minus 2 cot 4 theta plus in place of tan 4 theta, what we have to write? 4 times of cot 4 theta minus 2 cot 8 theta, okay, plus 8 cot 8 theta. That's all. Now we have to simplify this. That's why everywhere in place of tan theta, in place of tan 2 theta, in place of tan 4 theta, in place of tan 4 theta. Now we have to simplify this. Now we have to simplify this. Then it is cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta plus 2 cot 2 theta minus 4 cot 4 theta plus 4 cot 4 theta minus 8 cot 8 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. That's all. So all the terms gets cancelled. These two gets cancelled, these two gets cancelled, these two gets cancelled. Now the answer is cot theta. That is in first option. Okay, that's why this question is very important question. Now I will give practicing questions. You can practice the questions. I will give the practicing question from this session. Now we are going to the practicing questions. Observe the first question: cos 5 by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11, so on, cos 10 pi by 11. Already given concept and formula is there: cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, cos 2 cube theta, like that. That is nothing but cos sine of 2 power n theta by 2 power n sine theta, like that you can find it. Then this one you can substitute the values: cot 15, cot 75, cot 350. And for third one, and squaring and adding. So say squaring and adding, we get cos alpha minus beta. So in place of that you can substitute and verify the answer. Okay, so you can practice all the questions, revise all the concepts, so you can find the answers for these questions. You can practice these questions. Okay, bye bye.